So let's understand the union operation of binomial heap. The union operation is the most important operation which is done by the binomial heaps, because this operation can be used as a subroutine by the most of the other remaining operations of this binomial heap. So the binomial heap union processor, what it does, it repeatedly links the binomial trees whose root has the same degree. So because the property of binomial heap is that we do not have the uh, same degree roots in the root list. So when we merge two binomial heaps, it will repeatedly link the uh, root list or roots with the same degree. So the for linking, it will call the binomial link processor. So in this algorithm, here it is a binomial link processor, binomial heap link processor. So it will call the binomial heap link processor. So the link processor is nothing but, so I just write here, instead of binomial heap link, I just write link processor. So the link processor will pass two pointers y and z. So in order to make the z as a parent of y, we pass the y and z into the link processor. So it will just update the pointers. So the parent of y will become z, the sibling of y will become the child of z, and the child of z will become y, and the degree of z will become the degree of z plus 1. For example, if I have two binomial trees with suppose this is a binomial tree b0 and other binomial tree is b1. So in order to link these two binomial trees, suppose you want to make this b1 as a parent, then make this as a y, make this as a z. So what it does, it will make the parent of y as a z. So the parent pointer of this will be updated, and the sibling of y would be the child of z. So this would be sibling, and the child of z, this is z, the child of z would be y, yes, and the degree of z would be increased by 1. So here it is 2, here it is 1. Okay, so and the binomial link processor, what it does, it will link the two binomial trees from each other, and the tree which is which is root is passed in the second argument. Okay, so this processor only just shifts the pointer, so it will generally take order of one time. So binomial link processor always can take order of one time, and it will link bk minus 1 tree into some bk tree. Okay, now let's start with the binomial heap union processor, and scan this processor with the example. So I draw example first, then one by one we will see how this binomial heap union works. So I just rough it out. Yes, so for example, I have a heap h1 as following binomial trees: 12, 7, 25, 15, 33, 28, and 41. Similarly, the other heap is h2, which is 18, 3, 37, and 6 with 44, with 10, and 29, and we have 8, and this will contain the information 22, 23, 30, then 24, 32, 45 and 55, and this is 50, and this is 17. Now from 29 it is, sorry, it is 31, and this also have one more node here, so I just draw it here, 48 and 50. Okay, so these are the two heaps are given, so h1 and h2. So from this algorithm I just scan from starting. So binomial heap union from h1 and h2, it will first, what it does, it will create an auxiliary heap h, an empty auxiliary heap h, and and assign a binomial heap merge process, and call the binomial heap merge procedure. This is a binomial heap merge procedure on h1 and h2. So what this procedure does, this procedure will combine these two binomial heap in one, and the order in which the binomial tree appears is the increasing order degree of the root list. So I just draw the final tree from this from after the outcome of this procedure. So the final tree would be, so initially from this one, this 12 will be drawn, so I just draw here 12, then in 7 have a degree 1, so I just scan from here, this will have a degree 0, so I just write it down 18, then write 7 with the information 25, okay, then write 3 with information 37, then write 15 with information 33 and 28 with child 41, and then append 6 with 44, 10, 29 and 8, and many more nodes are there. Okay, so the outcome is, this is the head of H, this is the auxiliary array which is created here, or array or some heap which is created here. Then head of H will contain the heap outcome of heap merge procedure. And what is heap merge procedure? It will it will combine both heaps in the order of the degree, and the order is increasing order of a degree, the root list. Okay, then it will delete the free h1 h2, means it will delete both of the binomial trees. So it will free the information of h1 and h2, so these two are free from the memory now. Then if head of h is equal to nil, so it is not there, head of h have something, so we will continue at fifth step. It will update the previous of x is equal to null, and x would be the head of it. So x is here now. Then next of x is the sibling of x. So sibling of x is the next node, so in the root list it will be the next node. So sibling of x is equal to, so we assign two pointers, x which is pointing to head of h, next of x which is pointing to sibling of x. Now we are in the loop while this next of x is not equal to null. So now it means at this point this next of x will continue to be increased, and reach at the end of the list, then only this loop is terminated. After that, we will check whether the degree of x, so the degree is here 0, is not equal to degree of next of x. So this is equal to this, so condition is false. We will go to the else part. So in the else part, it will say that if key of x is less than or equal to key of next of x. So key of x means 12 is less than equal to 18. So 12 is less than equal to 18. Yes, condition is true. So this is my case 3. So this is my case 3. The first if condition is case 1 and 2. This is case 1 and 2. This one is case 3. And the last condition is, this one is case 4. Okay. So these are the 4 cases on which this binomial heap union procedure works. So because I go into the else if part, so I just what I did, I just exchange the pointers. So inside the body of else if, what it does, it will assign the sibling of x to the sibling of next of x. So now the sibling of x would not be next of x, it is sibling of next of x. So it means this node is removed. I just connect this pointer to here and then call the binomial heap link on next of x and x. So if I call this procedure from next of x to x, it means, so first thing is, in this root list 18 would be removed. 18 would be removed, and so 18 would be removed, and we call the binomial heap link on this one. So this is my x, y, this is my z. So x would be the parent and this would be the child. Okay. So after this we again scan, we again go to the else part outside the, so all else if is done, then we go to the 17th step in which next of x would be updated. So now all pointers would be updated. So here it is linked with this one. Now x is this, next of x is this. Okay, done. And we also assign the previous of x. The previous of x is equal to, so so we again check whether the degree of x is not equal to degree of next of x. Yes, it is equal to, or so the condition is false, we jump here. Degree of a key of x is less than, so key of x is less than, so 7 is less than 3. No, condition false. We jump to the next statement. If previous of x is equal to nil, then head of h is next of h. So here, because x is updated, your previous of x is already updated here, and the, so if previous of x is updated, so in the else part, we go in the else part. In this one, what we do, sibling of previous of x. Sibling of previous of x means this node would be the next of x. So sibling of previous of x means this node. Sibling of previous of x means this node would be the next of x. So we have to update the sibling of this one as a next of x. So we just remove this node 725 from here and directly link this sibling of previous of x as a next of x. Then call the binomial heap link on x and next of x. So because x is my here, so we make the parent here and make the 3 as a parent and this as a child. So this is a case 4 in which the data information, the data of key of x is greater than sibling of next of x. Then we apply this binomial heap link on x comma next of x, means next of x would be the parent. Okay, so after this we update the pointers. So now this next of x is increased. So the next of x, so this is my x, this is my next of x, and this is my previous of x. Okay, so now check whether degree of x is equal to degree of next of x. Yes, it is equal. So again, because it is less than the key information, so case 3 will be applied. So again, this whole tree is removed from here, and it is a child of this one. Okay, so the idea of binomial heap link procedure is that any root in the root list does not have the same degree. So whenever we found two nodes with a similar degree, we just call the binomial heap link procedure. So this is the main idea, and this algorithm will work on the same idea. Okay, so the final tree which is constructed after binomial heap link would be so this is 12 and 18, and we directly link it with the 3 because 3 is the minimum element, with the 37 and 7, 25, and this 15 is also added here because it has a similar degree, 33, then we have 28 and 41. Okay, then this sixth node will be added, 44, this is 10, 29 and 8, and all subtrees of this node. So this is my previous of x, this is x, and so sorry, now at last step, this is my x, next of x is nil, and this is the previous of x. Okay, so this is the and here is head of h. This is the final output of the tree in which each root list have a unique degree. So when you find this type of configuration, when each root list have unique degree, it means the algorithm will automatically stop afterwards. Okay, so generally we have two main cases in the binomial heap union. So I just enlist the two cases here. So first is when a degree of any node x is equal to degree of any node next of x and is equal to degree of sibling of next of x. Means when we have three root lists with the similar degrees, then we execute the case 2 or 1 and just shift the pointers. Next is, if we found degree of x is equal to degree of next of x and it is not equal to degree of sibling of next of x. If this is the case, if it is not equal to, maybe it is lesser or maybe it is greater. So if it is lesser, then it is a case 3. If it is greater, then it is case 4. So in this case, case 3 and 4 will be applied. Okay, so these are the main points which is need to be considered when we do binomial heap union procedure. Now the other operations like insertion, extract min and decrease key operation also call this binomial heap union whenever we do the any of these operations. So I just give you the overview of all the operation and tell you the time complexity taken by this operation. So because now first thing is that what is the time complexity of binomial heap union? Because it will only call the binomial heap link procedure again and again, it will take order of one time, and the main time which is taken by this procedure is binomial heap merge, which have log n nodes in each of h1 and h1 heap. So I can say that if your h1 have n1 nodes, then we can have at max log n1 plus 1 root in the h1 heap. If your h2 have n2 nodes, then this will also have log n2 plus 1. So the auxiliary heap h contain how many roots in the list? At max it will contain log n1 plus log n2 plus 2, or we can say that if this n1, and because n1 plus n2 is nothing but total number of nodes given in the heap, so we can say that the time complexity taken by heap merge would be order of log n, order of log n. So the time complexity of heap union is nothing but order of log n, and which is very efficient than any other binary heaps which take order of n, or any array which take order of n, or any list which take order of n time to perform the union operation. Now let's see the insert operation of the on the binomial heap. So if you want to insert an element in a binomial heap, the procedure is very simple. So to insert an element in a binomial heap h with the value x, then what we does, we just create an empty heap by make binomial heap function. So just call make binomial heap function, which will create empty array. Then we update the pointers of this of the node. So first we create a heap, then we allocate a pointers to this information x, means parent of x would be nil and child of x would be nil, sibling of x is also nil, because it is only one node, and degree of x is equal to 0, and the head in the heap which is created above uh, h dash, in that heap I assign the value x. So this heap only contain one node, and then we call the binomial heap union procedure on this h and h dash. So what we do in the insert operation, we just create a node, single node, assign the single node in any heap h dash, and then call the heap union procedure on h, means existing heap with the h dash in which only one node is there. So this binomial heap union take order of log n time, and this whole procedure will take order of one time. So the total time taken by the insert operation is order of log n time. Similarly, for the extract min operation, what we do, so suppose if any heap is given, uh, so suppose uh, this is the heap, okay, and here is this 1 2 3 and 4 5 6, and here it is 7 and 8. Suppose this is the uh, heap given. So to perform the extract min, we have to find out the x with the minimum key in the root list first. We have a head pointer here, we have a head pointer here. So in order to perform the extract min, we need to scan the root list first. In the root list, we have to find out the minimum key in the root list, and then when we find out the minimum key, we remove that key from the root list, make an auxiliary heap h dash, and we add the child of this extracted root, in this h dash in the reverse order. So this h dash will contain the child in reverse order, like h dash will contain 2 means reverse order of means increasing order of degrees, 3 with 5, and 4 with 6, and 7 and 8. So this is now h dash. Now this will the we extract this element from the root list. Now this h will become one less root, and this is my h dash. I will call the heap union procedure on h and h dash. So to call the heap union procedure in both of these heaps, it will take order of log n time at max, and to scan this minimum element, it will take log n time. So log n plus log n means this extract means operation is also take order of log n time. Okay, so all operations like insertion, finding the minimum, or extracting the minimum from the heap, it will take order of log n time because of this union procedure. So we write the union procedure once, and it can be used in all the operations performed by this binomial heap. Now other two operations are decrease key operations. So if you want to decrease a key from the binomial heap h with the node x, and we want to decrease the key k, so what we do, we just update the key value of x with the k, then we make a pointer y to the x, and make z as a parent of y. It is another pointer, so we take two pointers y and z. Y is pointing to x, z is pointing to parent of x. Then when we scan the parent list only, so when while z is not equal to nil, and if we found key of y, means key of this x is less than key of y, because it is a min ordered, we need to find out the minimum element. Agar if we find the minimum element from the parent, then we just exchange it. So we just exchange the key of y with key of z, and then y will be updated to z, and z will be updated to parent of y, and similarly it will go upward direction. So in any binomial tree, we can say that we have at most log n depth, order of log n depth, and this procedure will go up to the root, so it will take at most order of log n time. Okay, so now this is a decrease key operation. So similarly, if you want to delete an element from an heap h with the key information x, then what we do, we just call the decrease key operation decrease key with h on x key, and decrease any element with minus infinitive, decrease that element with minus infinitive, and then extract the min, call the extract min procedure on h. So this will extract this minus infinitive elements from the heap. So this will also take order of log n time. So all the operations of the binomial heap will take order of log n time. Thank you. In next video lectures, we will cover some of the numericals based on binomial heaps. Thank you very much.